assist business owners in developing or increasing their online presence with step-by-step strategies. I help them by identifying their target audience and creating a system for generating more customers. My name is Kathy E. Smith, also known as Resource Rita, and I have been involved in online marketing since 2003 when I had an online wedding accessory shop. In 2011, I decided to focus heavily on social media and social media training after I quadrupled my followers in less than 60 days. And I am the former host of the Prime Show, known as the PR and Internet Marketing for Entrepreneurs Show, an internet radio and podcast show where I shared the latest tips and tools in online marketing and social media for 4 years. And I am the founder of the Resource Rita Online Marketing Academy, designed with training that will take you step by step through lessons in order to avoid the overwhelm. No lesson or step is over 5 minutes, and you will gain access to me twice a month to answer your online marketing and social media questions. Connect with me for your next strategy session to grow your business or to join the Resource Rita Online Marketing Academy by visiting www.kathyesmith.com, and that's Kathy with a C. Again, connect with me for your free online marketing strategy session by visiting Kathy E. Smith and filling out the online marketing assessment.